Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm at the hobby farmhouse today. This afternoon and this evening I've been planting the garden. Got just about 3/4 of it in now. The woods behind the house is all filling up with leaves now. Winter is finally done. Spring is finally here. A couple of years ago, when walking back behind the chicken cages here, I found a morel mushroom, and I actually found it 2 years in a row, and then last year there was nothing there. I don't know if I was there at the wrong time, it must have been, but I didn't find anything. But today now I went and looked again, I was back here looking, and right at the bottom of this ash tree right here, which does not seem like it's dying at all. It seems fairly healthy. Once again, there was a morel mushroom here. There's one right there that fell over. This one's looking really nice. Those are right there. And here on the back side of this tree, there's another real nice one. So I thought I am going to harvest these. Definitely an edible one. It's hollow on the inside. I just decided to walk around a little bit more, and look what I found down here. There's a couple. There's one right there that's right on a deer trail, and they've stomped it. Oh, there's a second one right there underneath that stick. Ooh, there's one over there too. Oh, there's one up there. Wow. I just started walking around, and I've only done a little area here, and I just stopped picking. I don't know how many I have, but this is ridiculous. They're everywhere. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I just quit picking them. I mean, starting to get a little bit dark out there. They were everywhere. So I did just read that you can store these in the fridge up to 3 weeks. That's pushing it. I got to put them in a, I don't know, one place said a paper bag with a moist paper towel over it. Another one said don't use a paper bag because it'll whisk out the moisture. I'm just going to put them in a Ziploc bag, leave the top open a little bit, and put them in the fridge for now. I'm going to go back out there tomorrow and try to pick some more. I saved that many in the refrigerator here. I'm hoping that they will last another 4 days till I get up and Melissa can try them. She's never had morel mushrooms. These ones here were definitely getting a little old. Those I'm throwing out, I actually cut off parts of them that had any mold or anything on them. So these we're going to fry up right now. So what we want to do here is cut these into 2 or 4 pieces. It's interesting because later in the season you get more of the blondes, the light color. Earlier in the season you get the grays and the blacks. I don't have anything really dark here, but it is getting later in the season. So now I'm just going to throw these in the colander, and they're just going to get a quick rinse. These are all pretty clean. That's it. I'll put a little butter in there. I'm not going to season these at all. Normally you would want to do some butter and some olive oil, but I don't have any olive oil. I ran out. So I'm going to put a little bit of sesame oil in here. Very good. They're like little mushroom beef steaks. Very good. I'll see you guys on the next video.